Hi everyone, today I'm going walkabout in Kowloon City and visit the Kowloon Walled City Park. This is the beginning of Kowloon City, and straight away you can see there's a difference in the buildings. There's rows of quite old crumbling buildings like these, and right behind there are new residential towers. Kowloon City is undergoing gentrification. It's becoming a trendy place to come and live and to come and do business. So Kowloon City is a mixture of the old and the new. For example, this cake shop has been here more than 50 years. But if we just cross the road carefully, and round the corner, trendy and popular Japanese sponge cake. Another example of the old, right next door to the new. These old buildings are slowly disappearing from this district. Eventually they'll all be redeveloped into tower blocks. These are some of the oldest ones in the area. 60, 70 years old. Quite surprising that they're still standing. This is one of the old original gate posts into the old walled city. So originally this area was a Chinese enclave inside Kowloon, and it was administered by the Chinese. But after the British came to rule, the Chinese had to leave, but it was still technically a part of China. So it was very difficult to govern and therefore became ungovernable. These are parts of the old walls, original walls that's left. We're going to go around and have a look at any structures that's inside. And there is a kind of museum inside that will show you what the walled city eventually came to look like. So this is a model of what the old Kowloon Walled City became, like a slum area, densely populated, illegal businesses going on, drug dealing, prostitution, unlicensed doctors, unlicensed dentists. Eventually it was demolished with an agreement by the Hong Kong government and the Chinese government. But it really did look as dark and evil as that when you came to see it. These are the surviving buildings. And some history. So this is what it looked like. This was the original model of a garrison. Dentists, unlicensed. If you are liking this video, please don't hesitate to subscribe, hit the notifications bell, like, share, and of course comment below. South Wall Road, obviously a nod to this road and the history. Another feature of Kowloon City is it's got a large Thai expat community. And Thai food. Thai grocery shops are everywhere. As you walk around, you're more likely to hear Thai language than you are to hear Cantonese. Thai exotic fruits. Thai groceries, cosmetics. More Thai food. Thailand products. Coconut oil. Biscuits, rice crackers. And Buddhist worship. Make your own food. Fish, fried fish. Thai sauces. Garlands of orchids. Cosmetics. Chilies. Dried fish. Massages. So over there in the distance is a new development of an old place, Kai Tak. And Kai Tak was the old airport. So many people have seen photos of Kowloon City before, where the Cathay Pacific planes are just flying over the rooftops. So that's why now we can have these tall skyscrapers, because the building height restrictions have been removed, so the area will be continually developed. More small family-run Thai food restaurants. Look at this crab in a plastic bag. So you get an idea of the conditions around here. There are some very old buildings. And a bit of Lion Rock in the background. as I said before, if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notifications bell, like, comment and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again on my next walkabout around somewhere unusual in Hong Kong.